Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and I am a mom of a little girl who is 1 year old, and I thought that today I would do a unboxing of a new ring sling that I just got. It's from Wildbird, and baby wearing has been a huge help for me in this motherhood journey. I don't know what I would do without it. Started off with a wrap for when she was a newborn. I've used the ergo carrier now that she's a little bit bigger for longer carries, but I just started getting into ring slings because they're cozy like the, kind of wraps were, but also they're a little more sturdy, and she's kind of outgrown the wraps, right? So this one from Wildbird is actually a replacement. I received a different sling from them that I got on sale, and unfortunately it kind of tore. There was something defective about it, and their customer service is really great. They let me choose any sling that I wanted that was kind of within the same category, even though it wasn't on sale. So I got this one from their new release. I can't remember what the name of it is. I'll have to link it down below. But yeah, I've been waiting to open this one up because it's so beautiful, and I kind of thought I would put it on film. So this one was called Sunny, and it's a really pretty kind of sage green. So let's open it up, right? And the packaging is really nice. It just kind of slides out like that. It's really pretty. And it's got like a really pretty little bird on the outside of it. You can see it's a nice little, it's kind of pretty little box, right? All right, so when they open it up, and they've got it nicely folded. And before I take it out, I've got a nice little pamphlet inside. You can see, kind of shows you how to wear it, the different carries that are available, and also kind of safety checklists and things like that for using a ring sling. So really nice paper too. And here, so you can kind of see, it's really pretty leather detail that you can see on both sides, and it's like a really pretty fabric. Maybe you can see it on the other side. So this is from their patterns line. It used to be called chambray, but they've changed the name of it. So it's really pretty the way they've kind of rolled it in together. And then at the other end, we're going to see this really beautiful tag. Just kidding. It's just kind of the manufacturer's thing, but this really pretty rose gold ring. Let's see if that'll focus. Gold sling. So you can choose different color rings. They have black, gold, silver, bronze, and then rose gold. So I chose rose gold. And this is what it looks like. So I thought I would do like kind of a little demonstration of how to put her in. So we're going to throw Florence into the sling. So it just depends on what side you want to wear it on, right? We're going to do a little bit of a demonstration of how to put it on. I'm not an expert, but this is just kind of how I've been doing it. So you throw it over the opposite shoulder that you want to carry the baby on. So I like to carry her on this side. So I get the sling, the little ring on this side, right, over my shoulder. And then you're going to thread it through both rings at the same time. And then I kind of like to stick my elbow through just to see if I got enough room, right? And I'm going to probably do a hip carry with her, so that means she'll be over here instead of in the front, but you can do it either way, right? And these slings hold up to 35 pounds, which is great because you can still carry a toddler in it. So once you've got it through both rings, then you're going to take the end and stick it through just the bottom ring and thread it through. You want to kind of separate it a little bit so that this end that controls the top and this other end that controls the bottom are at the ends, right? They're not all kind of on top of each other. Just kind of like spread it out a little, just so I can find that. She's ready to go in, right? And then you kind of pull to tighten them a little bit. Make sure it's like up high a little bit on your shoulder. And then you've got enough room, right? And then we're gonna throw her in. It's really that easy. It's easier than even using like a wrap. Come here. So you put her on the shoulder that you want her in. Get both little feet through. You kind of hold it so that you can kind of make sure it goes up a little bit in the front, and then you just lean her back into it and let her kind of sit. Tuck her in, and then you pull on this one to tighten, and then on the bottom a little bit, just to get it comfy. It's like that easy, and you just want to make sure that her little legs, her butt is like lower than her knees, right? And that's it. You want to say hi? You say hi? Across the back, nice and smooth, and it's so pretty, right? You like it? This is great for putting her for naps. Sometimes she fights a nap and this makes her super sleepy. Also, if she just wants to be held and you need both hands free. So I highly recommend that you give them a try. I'll link them down below. I'm not sponsored at all in any way, but I really like their slings. I think they're beautiful. They're beautiful, and also they're just so handy, and the customer service was fantastic. I just sent them some pictures and they were like, pick whatever other one you wanted. And the original one I bought was kind of a pattern one, so they said whatever pattern one you want, grab it. So that's what they did. They shipped it right away. All right, thank you so much for joining me on the channel. And really quick, actually, let me show you how you take her out. All you do is you lift up on the sling and you hold on. And that's it. Forgot that part's important. And then up she goes. And that's it. Pretty easy. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks. Bye. Yeah.